Welcome home to Finnell Way. You are in for a treat. First off, here's what we're working with. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,350 square feet of beautiful living space. We're standing on wood flooring that also bleeds into carpet. We've got the espresso flooring down here with a nice 2-step down into your living room. I love this space for a few reasons. The holidays are right around the corner. You can already picture the big 12-footer, possibly 15-foot Christmas tree right here, smack dab in the middle. Presents all surrounding here. You've got that gorgeous tree out front, and then you've got your Christmas tree. This is what I'm talking about here. Family times, good times, great memories. Now, let's say you don't want to do the whole traditional living room. This space is really set up for a play area. We're seeing a lot of families do that right now. We're also seeing it set up as kind of like a play / kids homeschooling area as well. So that's very nice. And then you come on up here to your dining room space here, which is beautiful because you could set up, an 8-10 party, dinner party here. And let's not forget, we're surrounded by these beautiful tall windows. It just bleeds this beautiful sunshine inside. You've got the recessed lighting, the vaulted ceilings. It really makes this 2,300 square foot space feel like 2,500 just when you walk through your double door. We had our fun in the living room, dining room. Now let's go to the heart of the home, the kitchen. As you can tell, it's the heart of my home. I love this kitchen space here because you have a lot of counter space. It's like a horseshoe. Beautiful granite, white cabinets. You've got plenty of storage space in here. Stainless steel appliances. You've got the peekaboo bay window outside with the pass-through action. You lift this up when you're having barbecue, entertaining the kids, the pool parties, everything can come through here. It's really convenient. I enjoy this kitchen space because, and I think you will too, it opens up into your nook area and your family room. So you get this big open concept, which is perfect for when you're watching the big game, family nights, movie nights, right? Or just entertaining. You wanna have a dinner party, cocktail party. You have so much space. Almost everyone's parties they have at home, whether intimate or big, always end up here in the kitchen space. And you can do that with this space, which I absolutely love. Now the neat thing about this section of the home is you also have your downstairs bedroom, bathroom, there's the laundry area, and then access, direct garage access from your 3-car garage. You also have the closet underneath the staircase, which is nice and roomy. You have plenty of storage space. You have more storage here. This used to be a wet bar. It's kind of like an old school vibe. Our clients just put the countertop in, have a kind of a staging area, if you will, as well. And then let's get you over here to the main family room. It's a nice size family room. You got 9-foot plus ceilings. The fireplace takes center stage. And then look at all of these windows. You are surrounded by windows, plantation shutters. There's just this abundance of natural light that comes inside, and it's beautiful. Hanging out on this side of the house, I gotta tell you, it's really nice because you feel like you're involved with everything. You can see the kitchen, the nook, you can see outside. I can even see to the dining room. And that's really important, especially when you got kiddos. You wanna know where they're at, or if not to just check up on them, but just see their faces. At least I know I do with my 3 kiddos. You thought you loved the inside of this home? Wait until you see the backyard. Let's go. Hello, hello. You ready for some fun out here? Okay, first things first. Let's talk about this wall of greenery that you have. It feels nice, secluded. You have shade. You've got a nice pergola over here, which is beautiful for entertaining, just hanging out, glass of wine, some friends, some conversation. You got the tea lights above. It's not the biggest space here, but it's the perfect space. And trust me when I tell you, the cleanup out here is minimal because of the concrete. It's actually really nice. Over here, you do have some fruit trees. On this side of the house, you got storage, the fire pit. I mean, this really is like the best entertaining you can have with the space that's allowed it. Let's not forget this amazing sparkling pool. You know you're gonna have some fun in there. It's California, temperatures stay hot year round. So this pool has enough room to have a big party, whether it be kids or adults. And I love how you have the shade from the palms. Just imagine yourself out here with a margarita in hand, got the palm tree setting. You're in paradise, and it's your paradise. This section of the house is really neat because it's flexible. If you have the toy hauler, you know, the boat, the toys, you have RV, or even the RV itself, you have RV parking, you have plenty of space for that. Our clients used it for the trampoline, the hangout area. They also have their dogs over here occasionally. So you have a lot of space over here on this side of the yard, which I think is really key with the use of the lot. The lot itself is just around 7,500 square feet. So you got a decent amount of space, and this property really uses it up beautifully. I hope you enjoyed the backyard. I want you to go upstairs, take a look at the other 3 bedrooms, the updated bathrooms, the stand-up shower, the whole bit, and then I'll meet you out front underneath that beautiful tree for a recap. I hope you enjoyed this tour of 917 Finnell Way here in the beautiful city of Placentia. I came outside for our recap just to show you the absolute peace and tranquility you feel with the sound. I mean, it is so peaceful, so quiet in this neighborhood. You're gonna absolutely love it, okay? So let's recap. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3 up, 1 down, 3 bathroom, 2 up, 1 down. You got 2,350 square feet of beautiful living space. You have those vaulted ceilings, that wood flooring, the step down, the openness concept of the whole bit, right? Windows, plantation shutters, all that natural light, the pool, the spa. On top of all of that, the neighborhood is amazing. You're literally 2 blocks away from the Alta Vista Country Club. Like to golf? You can walk there with your clubs. You're probably gonna wanna invest in a golf cart because you could take that directly over there. You're located walking distance, steps really, to some amazing shopping, some great foodie spots. You've got some amazing schools here. You're in the Placentia Yorba Linda Unified School District, both public and private, amazing schools. On top of that, you have the rest of the North Orange County lifestyle. You've got downtown Brea, literally a few minutes away. Downtown Fullerton, a few minutes away. You've got the Yorba Linda Town Center. It's like the hub of, you have your choice of everything, which I really think is key. And on top of that, you get the rest of everything Orange County has to offer. The amusement parks, the ballpark, sporting events, you've got the ocean, those amazing beaches. It's all here for you with this home. So not only do you get a perfect home in the most, I think, highly sought after neighborhood of Placentia, you also have great lifestyle living here as well. So you can too. Call me, text me. I'd love to show you this home in private. 714-335-0844. Take care.